Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make pickles. This is really easy recipe, and this is one of my favorite snacks. Like I don't need to eat pickles with fried plantain or fried chicken. I could eat it just like that with the perfect amount of spice and spices, and it tastes so good. I'm telling you, pickle just does something for me. It really does. Let me go ahead and show you how to make it. Super simple. You can't really go wrong. Listen, if you're making pickles and you go wrong with making pickles, I don't know. You just might need to pray to God. At this point, only God can help you because pickles is just so easy to make. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All you need, okay, here are the things that you're gonna need. You will need, this is how I like to do it, okay? So I'm sharing my recipe with you. Normally, people just use vinegar, but I'm showing you my recipe and it tastes so much better. Trust me. You need lime, lemon, bitter orange juice, and white distilled vinegar. When I mix those acidities, it tastes so much better to me instead of just vinegar or just bitter orange juice. You know, so try it this way and let me know if you like it. Go ahead and squeeze lime and lemon. So I have one lemon, two limes. I use two limes. um Orange juice, bitter orange juice. If you can find the fresh one, that's even better than the bottled. You'll need carrots. I have one medium carrot right here, a small cabbage, a little bit of green bell pepper and red bell pepper. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And you need some onion. You could use white onion or yellow onion, but yellow onion is best. And you're gonna shred everything very thinly. If you have this, I'm gonna link it below. If you check in my description box, you'll find the shredder. I have this, I think I forgot what you call it, but I'm gonna link it. I just had 2 glasses of wine and that's super nice. What did you call it? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll link it in the description box below. But for the carrots, you'll need a grater. You have to grate it, okay? For the cabbage, you can use the tool, which I'm going to link in the description box below, and check it out. And do all that. And then once you put all your liquids like the lime juice, the lemon juice, the vinegar in the bowl, and you're gonna add the spices. For the spices, you'll need salt and chicken bouillon. You can add some goya if you want, but it's not necessary. Because growing up in Haiti, that's how they used to make it. Just salt, chicken bouillon, and the vinegar, and that's it. And if you have like a little bit of MSG, oh my gosh. I know chicken bouillon already has MSG, but MSG don't kill nobody. Don't listen to the CDC, okay? Because the CDC be lying sometimes, okay? They do lie sometimes. I mean, they said a lot of lies. Anyways, but yeah, you just need chicken bouillon, salt, and go ahead and put that in there. Give it a good mix, and add the scotch bonnet peppers. For scotch bonnet pepper, it doesn't matter. It depends on how much heat you can take. For me, even though I showed you I added three, I added a little bit more. Once I tasted, I feel like I could handle a bit more heat. I added some more heat because I personally don't like to eat things that are too hot. I like to taste my food. I don't want to be eating and I'm like like no, that's ridiculous. I like to just taste the food. I like to savor in what I'm eating. So I don't like to add too much pepper. But I don't know, if you're like Nigerian or something, you probably add like 20 of these scotch bonnet peppers. Okay, but for me, I think I added 5 or something. Okay, so in there, and then you add everything to the bowl after you shred everything and grate the carrot. Add it to the bowl and add that liquid mix to it, and then give it a nice stir. And then this is ready to eat. Like sometimes, sometimes when you're like craving something and you don't even know what you really want to eat. I'm telling you, go in the fridge, take a couple bites of this, and then your craving will be gone. Your craving will be gone, right? And pickles is actually pretty healthy for you guys. It has probiotics. It's pickled cabbage. You know, yeah, it's kind of like um sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is very healthy, but this is top notch. Oh yeah, it's kind of like sauerkraut, but this is just better, a lot better. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoy this recipe. With Thanksgiving around the corner, listen. If you're Haitian, you're gonna want this on your table. And even if you're not Haitian, if you're gonna serve fried plantain, you are going to need this on the table. Personally, I don't like adding too much carrots in my pickles because yeah, I just don't like adding too much carrots. I like to add I like to like grate some of the carrots and see, and then I'm like, okay, I can add a little bit more. I like more cabbage in my pickles than carrots. You know what I mean? I don't know. Some people like a lot of carrots in it, but I don't. Like sometimes I never really add like a whole carrot. I add like 3/4 of it instead of the whole thing. But this is it, you guys. This is the pickles recipe that you're going to need. It's gonna change your life. I promise you. If you're not married, sorry, this pickles is gonna get you a ring because it certainly did not get me a ring yet. But it will. It will. It will. You know, it will. So I don't know why I'm working around. I should edit this. I'm not gonna re-edit it, honestly. This is it. I'm sorry, but this is it. I really thought I cut this out, but I didn't. I swear I watched everything, but I didn't cut it out. Anyways, you add that liquid in there, give it a nice stir, and this is it. Not too spicy. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect with some fried plantain, like semi-sweet fried plantain. Not overripe, but not too green. Just like right in the middle, And those plantains are crispy. Oh my gosh. I could eat some right now. Or some really good turkey. Air fried turkey. Don't have to be fried in the deep oil, but like air fried. But the turkey has to be well seasoned. It has to marinate for at least 24 hours. And you put that in the air fryer. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so good. This sounds really good. Anyways, this is the recipe that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoy it because I love pickles. Like I tell you guys, it's my little midnight snack. Sometimes I just get up at like 1 in the morning. I'm like, you know what, I need a little something, I need a little zzz. And the pickles does it for me. It's like that craving you have when you don't know what you're craving exactly, and you take a bite of pickles and you're like, this is good. You see, I added more lime. I told you I used more lime. So yeah, so give this recipe a try. Like I said, try making pickles with lemon juice, lime juice, bitter orange juice, and white distilled vinegar, and let me know how you like it. I promise it's gonna be different. It's just different. It's just so much better that way. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe and be part of this family. Okay? Thank you.